Hi, everyone. I'm Peggy, and I have a new class coming out that I am really excited about. It's a work along where we all make our own zine together. So I show you how to take one piece of paper, fold it, and where to cut it, and you've got a book. And then my my theme for this zine is going to be birds and bugs. What will be included in this class is, besides having some fun exploring, is there's always an academic content to any of my classes, whether covering one aspect of the fundamentals or we cover them all, but there's always an academic content. This class is going to be held on Thursday, September 7th. And the class is 2.5 hours, so it'll run from 11 to 1:30. And it's a paint along. We'll have a small break, and it's going to be a lot of fun. This class is recorded, so you'll have access for 3 months. To sign up for the class, go to www.blackridgearts.com. I hope you'll join us. We're going to have a lot of fun.